was September 27, 2002. I can remember it to the day when I called Mike and our leadership team together for a breakfast meeting, and we talked about the vision. I was CEO of the James for its first 20 years, and after we had been in our new facility for 10 years, we realized we needed to start planning for expansion.
It was apparent to all of us that, we were going to need a new structure to do that, what we call translational medicine.
That's when we articulated this vision of maximally integrating our research and our education, because we're both firmly committed that both of those things positively impact our patient care. This building is not about just a bigger thing of doing what we've always done. It's how we as a leadership team developed a vision for a very unique architectural design with this integration of the research and education with patient care. The case is so compelling. On an hourly basis, there are 8 Ohioans diagnosed with this disease. On an hourly basis, there are 3 Ohioans who will die of this disease. We have an opportunity to impact those numbers. This will expand our capacity to have a greater impact. We needed to have that architectural design that maximally integrated the research so that it's so much easier for our physicians to be interacting with our researchers and vice versa. But even more importantly, it's going to be inspirational to our patients, because they're going to see research being done in real time. Our researchers are now going to be seeing people who are fighting for their lives with this disease. Is that going to motivate them to work a little longer and to work a little harder, to accelerate their number of grants that they submit, to get more funding? That's the whole hypothesis behind this unique architectural design.
I know that the few times I've taken basic researchers, non-physicians, to the bedside, or they've really impacts them to see, wow, what I'm doing really has an impact, or wow, what I'm doing really needs to have an impact because we need to do more. So this notion of having research as well as education, medical students will be right up on the floor, right there, getting lectures in a classroom-like room, but then coming right out and visiting with the patients. All very impactful. The whole human element comes to reality. One of the neat things I remember thinking about this is, we knew the size, the enormity of the project that we needed, but would a university support this?
Not only is it going to impact the lives of hundreds of thousands of people who will be cared for in this facility, but millions of people, by virtue of our research, will be impacted around the world.
We've recruited over 300 physicians, scientists, and physician scientists here. They're coming here because what they see is a university that is really committed to cancer. There's no university in the world that has a cancer hospital this large, this integrated on its campus. Here is the 3rd largest cancer hospital in America. It's the only such thing within a university. Pretty striking, the statement that Ohio State University is making about their commitment to curing cancer. Unprecedented. I really think about all the patients that come in here so scared, so afraid of what they're about to, in many cases, endure, and how quickly a beautiful building filled with inspired faculty and staff who are committed to curing cancer can churn and turn that fear into great confidence and great hope. It's really neat to see. And this building and all that it will hold is going to inspire patients to be hopeful, positive, and of course that impacts the cure to cancer.
This is absolutely no routine cancer hospital. This is truly a unique facility of any in the world. The opening of this building says it's now Ohio State's time to make a difference with this disease. This is nothing more than bricks and mortar, but it has created a very special environment for world-class people now to be energized and motivated to make a maximal impact. It's going to happen here at Ohio State.